You're not using your body cam and you're approaching me.
You can have the car, dude.
That's not the point.
I know.
Where's your body cam?
My body camera is in that car right there.
Put it on right now. I suggest you go tell Wade right now to go put it on his body cam and keep it on and charged for the next 12 hours of his shift. Do you understand?
This is the first time hearing about it. You're telling me about it. Now I need to take action. Right?
I don't know if it's the first time, but it's my first time, and it's going to be the last time.
I have a personnel file.
You know how many complaints are on there?
I don't.
You don't?
I don't check it every day.
There's at least one now.
Okay. Right now, security check outside of the building.
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
Outstanding.
Good. Good to hear. All right, so you got security inside too? All right, I just want to make sure. I mean, make sure that the building's secure too,
What happens when a sergeant forgets or refuses to turn on his body cam and gets called out by a citizen who knows the rules better than the officers themselves? In Claremont, New Hampshire, a First Amendment auditor puts both the sergeant and the police chief on the spot, demanding accountability right then and there. The tension builds fast, and what happens next puts department policy under a very public spotlight.
This car number 2, 1006. Filthy. Here's the public entrance to the Claremont Police Department. Here's a blue liner. There you go.
I'll be out on Boston Street with DCOS.
The blue liner right there. Claremont Police.
Three 307-9119. He's out.
Car number 5, Claremont Police. Vermont plates. Here he is. car number 15. I don't answer questions, buddy.
Okay, no, somebody just called and said so.
Yeah, can I get your name, badge number?
Yeah, absolutely. Give me my card.
You recording?
Nope, I don't have a camera on right now.
Are you in the
Just got a
course of
card.
your duties right now, or
What's that?
why are you not using your body cam and you're approaching me?
You can have the card, dude.
That's not the point.
I know.
Where's your body cam?
My body camera is in that car right there.
Put it on right now. Put it on right now. Let me talk to a sergeant right now. You don't approach the public without putting your body cam on. Where is it? Where's your body cam?
My body camera is in that car right there.
Put it on.
I do not need it right now.
Are you in the course of your duties right now?
I am in the
And you just approached the public, a citizen of the public, without your body cam on?
Yep.
That's against policy. You know that, right?
Okay.
I'm going to file a complaint on you right now.
Okay, the chief's not here right now.
I don't need the chief, bud.
Dispatch right in the front.
I got you. Oh, you're a sergeant too? Wow. So guys, that's actually a sergeant. Joshua Wade. Wow. No body cam, huh? Where's your body cam, buddy? So they are right. They're not approaching people in the public with their body cam on, never mind running. So we're gonna go inside. That is not surprising, guys. That's very dangerous.
What are you taking videos of?
The police.
Oh, good.
Thank you. Hi. Yeah, do you have a complaint form?
Complaint for
Police officer?
against an officer? What do you have? On that wall?
What is it?
If you know who the officer is, you can just have him speak to the supervisor.
No, I'd like to fill one out and like to speak with the supervisor too.
Where are they over?
It's actually on a supervisor, so I need a lieutenant.
Should be yellow on the brochure wall.
This?
I think so.
That's for motor vehicle violation.
I don't,
You guys don't know where the complaint forms are, really?
no, I
the first thing you should know.
Come in with this before, so just a minute.
Yeah, they should.
Who's the officer that you'd like to make a complaint against?
I need a lieutenant.
Okay, we don't have any lieutenants here.
You don't have a lieutenant here?
Nope.
There's just sergeants here right now?
I have a sergeant, but who's the... you're
It's against a sergeant. That's why I need a lieutenant.
sorry?
It's against a sergeant, so I need a lieutenant.
Yeah, we don't have lieutenants. You're going to want the deputy chief. I can see if he's in, but I don't think he is.
I doubt it.
Sergeant.
Yeah. Let me see if he's got his body cam on. You got your body cam on?
No, I don't.
Were you just working just now?
Chief Chase, I'm working right now.
You're chief?
I am.
I need to talk to you right now, bud. No, I think we need to talk right now, like right this second.
Lobby.
I got,
Wait a minute.
give me 2 minutes. Chief,
Lobby. Okay.
you need 2 minutes.
See, I'm kind of in this position.
No, I think this is more important. Your Sergeant Wade just came out here with no body cam on and approached me.
I'll be up. I gotta go through the
Don't keep me waiting. You're live.
okay. Go right in the lobby.
We got a video to talk about. That's the chief, guys. Chief of police. Lucky me. Lucky Wade. Yup. You know it. I don't know how much he cares, but he needs to know that his officers, his sergeant, is not wearing his body cam. He's approaching members of the public without body cam. Perfect time.
Hey there.
How you doing?
Good.
You the chief?
I am.
Mark?
Yep.
How you doing? So I was just outside, okay?
Yep.
And this needs to be addressed like right now with your Sergeant Wade, okay? It's all on recording,
Okay.
and I've heard several stories about this already happening around town, and it needs to stop.
Okay.
Because I just caught it red-handed, and I'm going to be filing a complaint. I really hope you take it serious, and I'll email
That's what
you.
you're doing right now.
Yeah, well, I'm going to file a statement also. But what I'm saying is that he approached me, okay? He's in the course of his duties. He's working right now. Comes out of the PD, and he approaches me without a body cam. All right? That's against policy, procedure, and law,
Yep.
okay? Never mind having to tell somebody that they're being recorded. They have to actually have it on. You cannot approach the public without having the
I
body cam on.
understand. Right.
I really...
You can, but it's our policy. We do have a policy. We do wear body-worn cameras.
Yeah, I know you do.
Yep.
But it's also your policy to put that on and tell the other individual that it's on. He
Certainly.
was in no rush
Yep.
to come outside to tell me, am I filming? Do you understand what I'm saying? It wasn't.
Well, he didn't tell you he was filming because he didn't have his body camera.
No. What I'm saying is that he came out and told me, okay, he was asking me if I was filming and recording on the public
All right,
sidewalk.
I missed you, okay.
And when he came out, I asked him if he had a body cam on. He said no. He said it's in the car. So I asked him, why isn't it on?
I'm guessing. I don't know.
Charging? Look, I don't want to hear excuses, Chief.
I
Look.
said I don't know.
Seriously, Chief, I don't want to hear excuses. I don't want to hear the bullshit. All right? I hear it from way too many officers and chiefs lately, and I'm tired of hearing it. And the people in the public are tired of hearing it too.
Okay.
And you have over 150 people watching right now.
Okay.
All right? And my channel's gotten a little bit bigger. So I suggest you go tell Wade right now to go put it on his body cam and keep it on and charged for the next 12 hours of his shift. Do you understand?
I understand what my duties are what I'm going to do. I'm listening to your complaint.
Okay.
Now I go take action.
I hope you do.
Right.
Because I'm going to be watching you guys, and I'm going to be making sure that everything is put on your body cams every time you're out there in the public. And if I get any notifications from anybody in the public, I'm going to be coming out here and I'm going to be filing complaints.
file a complaint.
And I'll have over 15,000 people file complaints too. And then I'll flood your police department with phone calls.
Well, this is the
I'm
first
just
I'm hearing about it. You're telling me about it. Now I need to take action. Right?
I don't know if it's the first time, but it's my first time, and it's going to be the last time. So I don't want to see that again out there in the public. Do you understand?
I understand what you're
Thank
saying.
you.
Okay.
Do you have a card?
I do. You're gonna have to. I gotta go back inside to get it.
That's fine.
As you see, I
Yep,
wasn't.
and I'll send you the clip of the body cam footage of my footage of him not wearing
What's
it.
your channel?
I can't give you that information.
Okay. Well, it has what I need to see.
I'll send you an email
Okay.
with the
All
clip
right.
of it.
Hang tight.
Thank you. There's a chief in uniform. Here's the chief, guys. Did you have the chat with him? Did you have a chat with him?
I couldn't hear you.
Did you have a chat with him?
I've taken care of that part, the initial problem right today.
You have.
And wait for your complaint. I'll take whatever steps I need to based on your complaint.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye, man.
Have a good one. Yeah, I'm gonna move. No worries. There you go, guys. I don't know how much I'll believe of it, but car number 8 today. Oh, and he's going right across the street. I'm gonna address him if he comes back, which I'm sure he will. He's dreading that right now. He don't want to come back and deal with me again. You gonna shut off your vehicle now? You get your body cam? Make sure it's charged next time and shut off your vehicle, alright? I don't want to see your vehicle running for over an hour again, dude. What do you mean, why? It's tax money, that's why. Remember who you work for, Wade. You're gonna find out right now. I said you're gonna find out. Get any phone calls lately? That's the tyrant right there with no body cam, guys. You get a spanking from the chief? You get a spanking from the chief? From the chief of police? No? Yeah, you did. Oh, you telling me the chief didn't tell you to put your body cam on?
What's that?
You telling me the chief didn't tell you to put your body cam on?
I've been handling calls since I talked to you. I was handling a call when I got your call about you.
Oh, you got a call about me? What's that call number?
I just shut off.
Who called?
I don't know, man. Go ahead.
You don't know who called?
Don't talk to records.
You just took the call?
Don't talk to records. That's what I do. I don't look at the call number every time.
No? You gonna wear your body cam now? I'm watching you. So apparently the chief didn't give you a spanking then, huh? Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. Hey, I got a body cam. It's running all the time and charged. It's no excuse. Is that your first complaint or your second? Is that your first complaint? Today? Wow. That's your first complaint today? Is that what you said?
I was asking a question.
I was asking you a question. How many complaints you have on you?
I don't know.
You don't know how many complaints you have? You don't want to be transparent with me?
I don't keep track of that stuff. I don't have a file.
You don't have a file.
I don't have a file that tells me how many complaints I have on a daily basis that I keep in my phone. I have a personnel file.
You know how many complaints are on there?
I don't.
You don't?
I don't check it every day.
There's at least one now.
Okay.
Keep that in mind.
That's your right. You have a right to do that.
Huh. Unbelievable. Don't hurt nobody out there. Remember where your taser is. Don't forget what side the taser's on, guys. Oh, look at him speed off, huh? He's pissed. Oh, right over the curb. They're going to a call. Maybe. I don't know. He went over the curb, too. Yeah, he gave me a dirty look. I saw that before. Now we gotta train him on where the taser is. Unbelievable. Fucking guys. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm almost lost. But you gotta keep going.
This encounter reminds us Public officials are only as accountable as the public demands them to be. Body cams aren't optional, they're there to protect everyone. When someone in uniform forgets that, it's not just a policy violation, it's a public trust issue. Know your rights, speak up, and never be afraid to hold those in power to their own standards. Because real accountability starts with citizens who won't back down. What happens when a county attorney steps outside his office only to get schooled on the Constitution by a man with a camera? At the Strafford County Courthouse in New Hampshire, court officers try to flex authority they don't have until the sheriff himself steps in and flips the script. This isn't just a clash of power, it's a public lesson in rights, responsibility, and how quickly the tables can turn when the law is on your side.
Pretty big courthouse here, guys.
Dispatching, enter an ambulance 3 to Cedar Healthcare Center, 188 Jones Avenue. The patient's going to be in the Strawberry Cove unit, room 28. The 75-year-old male, staff reporting is unresponsive and has fever.
Here's your back gate.
Your cross street is for Spy Avenue, 935.
It's your sheriff gate, gate number 2.
Just FYI, Rock County deputy is out with one of our wanted subjects. They're going to transport directly to the station. Highway 89, 89. Yeah, his speeds were 88, 89, 87, and then caught the traffic. Traffic. 112 died. That subject is at the PD paying the tickets. You can show me clear.
Hey!
18 Heavy is clear in service at 951.
Hey! No, you can't.
What are you looking for?
I don't know, what are you doing?
I'm asking you why you're taking pictures of things.
It's none of your business.
Of course it is.
No, it's not.
Sir, these are protected computer screens. You can't take pictures of those.
Who said I was doing that?
I have no idea what you're doing, but you're pointing a camera.
So you're accusing me of something you have no idea what I'm doing?
It certainly looks like you're
You make no
taking
sense.
pictures of a computer screen.
Oh, well.
Jim, is this your guy?
068.
I know.
X-ray Tom.
Are you his guy?
Sagamore Road.
That's Attorney Reese. My name's Tom Velarde. I'm the county attorney,
Oh, how you doing?
and I'm wondering why you're taking pictures of people who are very alarmed because we don't know what you're up to.
Oh, so you're the county attorney and you have no idea what I'm doing, huh?
Correct.
Wow, that's pretty sad. You're probably going to have some litigation issues in the future then, sir.
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Tom Velardi, Velardi.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm not trying to be rude. You're alarming people inside. That's
So what does that have to do with me?
nothing if we understand what you're doing.
Well, it's pretty common sense that I'm filming on public property.
But not inside a window.
Of course I can.
Those screens are not public.
Then close them.
Sir, they're behind a window
Okay.
in an office.
So create privacy. There's no expectation of privacy in public. Don't you understand that?
I'm understanding.
So why don't you go tell them? And then they could be protecting personal information that they should already be protecting.
Well, obviously you've discovered that we might have a security issue, and I'm glad you brought this to my attention.
Great. Look at that.
That's all I'm trying to understand. She was very alarmed and asked me to take a look. That's all.
Okay. And what's your determination?
My determination is that you are in fact on public property.
Okay.
Pointing a camera onto the screen.
Okay.
It's still a little troublesome, but that's our problem, not yours.
Exactly. Yeah. The onus is on you guys. You know what I mean? HIPAA laws, privacy acts. You know, that's all on you.
Right.
It's not on me.
Well, thank you for bringing it to our attention.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Yep.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you too. That's how you do it, sir. Hey, you a civil attorney?
Nope.
You're not? Oh man, you should look into it, man. I'll make you some good money. Have a good one, buddy. Look at this guy. Thinks he's gonna tell me what to do over here.
We're gonna be off at the elementary school for a fire drill.
How you doing? How are you? You having a good day?
What's your name?
What's your name?
It's none of your business, man.
My name's Dave Dubois.
Cool. Can I help you?
I came out to help you if you need help.
Well, what are you offering? Want to give me a coffee, some donuts?
No.
No? Well, then you can't help me, bud. 'Cause that's all I need.
That's what you're looking for? Coffee and donuts?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's morning time, right?
Sure.
At 9:38.
Can you not walk behind me, bud?
What's that?
Can you not walk behind me?
I'm just walking.
I know. Guys like to get a little hostile sometimes, though, you know what I mean?
Not me.
Well, I don't know you.
I gave you more information about me than you gave me about you.
Well, you're a public servant, sir. That's your policy. You have to identify to the public. Why are you laughing?
Because it's courteous, that's all. I did it for courtesy. not
Well,
for
I'm a
policy.
private citizen, man.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm just telling you my motivation was courtesy.
I gotcha. Well, no, it's policy. You don't have a choice.
Well,
I do. That's the difference, bud. It's not courtesy at all, actually.
It is courtesy.
No, it's not. It's your policy. And I'm happy that you abide by it. You know? So you're just going to walk back and forth over here, or
Just doing my job, my friend.
what's your job?
Right now, security check outside of the building.
Yeah, how's that working out for you?
Outstanding.
Good. Good to hear. All right. So you got security inside too? All right. Yeah, I just want to make sure. I mean, you know, make sure that the building's secure too, you know?
Yeah.
All right. So it's going to have a standoff here, or?
I'm not having to stand up.
Yeah, I mean, I just want to continue doing what I'm doing, you know?
Go
I don't.
ahead.
Yeah, but you're like standing behind me and flanking me, and I don't like it, man. You guys say it all the time. Don't walk behind me. It's officer safety, or you know, whatever.
I don't say that.
No, I know you don't, but a lot of officials say that. So, anyway. You got backup coming now? You call her?
I didn't call anybody.
Sorry, I asked you not to walk behind me.
I know you did.
I know. So you're just being an asshole now.
No.
Yeah, you are. I asked you very nicely not to do that.
Yeah, you did.
Alright, so you want to play that game?
I'm not playing any game.
You are playing a game. But we could both play the game, sir. I mean... You heard supervisor?
Why would you think that?
Just asking.
Can you go ahead again with the building and apartment number?
Morning.
Can I have your name?
Kelly,
Kelly? What's your position here?
lead supervisor with CSO.
You're a supervisor?
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good.
What's happening?
Nothing much.
Okay.
He's walking behind me and making me feel a little uncomfortable, you know?
Okay. Just wondering what you're doing.
It's pretty common sense.
Okay.
Filming.
Is there something you're looking for?
Nope.
Okay. That's just kind of our job, just to wonder what people are doing on the property.
I got you.
Yeah.
I think your job is done now, isn't it?
Well, I'm just still wondering what you're doing.
It's right in front of you.
Did you come here just to videotape us?
No, I mean, I didn't come up to you guys. You came up to me.
Well, I know, but is there something back here you're looking for?
Nothing to tell you about.
Okay. What's
It's
your
my
name?
business, that's all.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm not going to give that information.
Okay, you asked me mine.
I know, it's your policy, see? We're going back and forth here. He said it was courteous to give his name, but it's actually your policy.
Okay.
And I have that right not to give you my name. So,
Okay, well, we had that right as well, but we decided to give it to you anyway.
no, you have a policy you have to abide by.
Well, it's listed on our name tags.
Well,
as
that's why you have name tags, because you're public
Right.
servants and you have to identify.
Okay,
That's all.
but it's also our job to ask you what you're doing on the property.
Yep. Well, it's not your property, though.
Well, it's county property.
Yeah, which is
We
city.
work for the county.
Yeah, exactly. So it's public property.
Okay.
You can understand, though, that people could be out here doing what you're doing
Uh-huh.
with intent to do harm to this building. You
Oh,
can understand.
with the camera?
Yeah.
A camera does a lot of harm to the building? Really? How's that? Enlighten me, please.
I didn't say the camera would do harm. I said a person could be taking photos with intent to
Okay.
do harm.
Yeah?
That's the only thing.
Tell me one story that you know of, okay? That somebody has gone to a place in public and had nefarious ways and reasons to do with the camera, please.
So I was just trying to explain to you.
It doesn't make any sense. So a camera is what? Camera mass destruction? I mean, what are you getting at? Makes no sense. You make no sense. I'm on public property.
That makes sense.
This is my property, not yours.
Well, I thought it's our property, right?
No, it's not your property.
I'm the public, too,
I know.
so it's our property.
I know, but we pay your salary, guy.
But it's our
Understand that.
property.
It-
We all...
It's your property when you're off duty. It's your property. You're right now in the course of your duties.
You asked me to explain, but you won't let me.
I don't need to hear it.
Well, you asked me to explain.
I don't, explain what? The story of what? I mean, what?
So you do get it.
Yeah, you know why? Because I hear this bullshit all the time. Did 9/11, when that happened, did they video record before they did that? How about Oklahoma?
So are you video recording because something's going to happen?
I'm not answering that question.
Okay.
Don't trick me into some bullshit.
You just said that.
Yeah, well, I'm just referring to what he's stating. But a camera doesn't do any harm to anybody. This is our right to do this. You understand that?
Keep doing it, sir. No one's telling you to stop.
All right, then just go back to work then.
I am at work.
You have cameras all around the building. Go inside, go to your desk, and secure the building.
I'm at work.
You're harassing me.
I'm harassing
You are harassing me.
I'm not harassing anyone.
Well, I feel like you are.
Well, that's your feeling. but
It's
that's
not my
my
feeling.
reality.
You are harassing. You're harassing the public right now for...
I truly am sorry you feel that way.
I'm sure you are.
I am.
I know. I know. Go about your business. I'll go about mine. I mean, who commits criminal activities on camera? Who does that?
Good morning, sir.
What are you guys doing? We talked to him at the jail already. You good? He's in a public place. He's videotaping. Yeah.
There you go. Thank you, Sheriff. Appreciate it, buddy.
Yeah, we're good, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. See you later. See, he just dismissed you. Yeah, I don't need anything though. That's what I need right there, sir.
Have a good day.
Yeah, see? You just got schooled, didn't you? Hey, can I get your name, badge number, bud? Sir. Can I get your name, badge number so I can put it in a accommodation for you?
I don't need an accommodation.
Well, I'd like to give you one, sir.
My name's Ray Party.
Ray Party?
Yeah.
P-A-R-T-Y?
D.
P-A-R-D-Y?
D-Y. Sounds the same in the Northeast with our accent, but yeah.
Yeah, all right. You're a sheriff, right?
What's that?
Sheriff's Department?
Yes, sir.
Awesome, I appreciate it, man. Thank you for upholding your oath, man. You too. Walk of shame, guys. Walk of shame. Dismissed. See you later. Dismissed. That is a lonely, sad walk of shame. Look at that, guys. Look at the huddle they have in the hallway there.
Hey, get away from the building.
No.
When you start going inside the building, that's when you're pushing your luck.
Yeah, it's called rights, buddy. Get used to it. If you don't like it, move out of America. You have no authority over me, sir. So stop telling me what to do, stop telling me where to go, and leave. Let the sheriffs do their job. So I'm not breaking the law. There you go. You're learning. Let me get his name. Can I have your name? Can I have your name?
No.
It's your policy, sir.
No, it's not.
It is your policy.
Don't tell me what my policy is.
Oh, I'm telling you, your policy. You work for the public, so it is my right to tell you your policy. Oh, your name's right there?
Yeah.
You're one of those, huh?
Yeah. No, you're one of those.
I know, I'm one of those Americans that exercise their rights. I know, God forbid we watch the public sector, you know what I mean? Daniel Gagne.
That's it.
There you go. So you couldn't even identify, huh? Just your ego's too much? You used to be a cop? Used to be a cop? They don't like to identify either. They usually say, my name's right here, you know what I mean? Yeah. You guys usually follow suit and then retire and come over here and bust their balls, you know what I mean? Because you have no more authority out there. You don't have the strength at this age. So. You work here?
I don't think it's any of your business what I do.
Well, I mean, if you work here, you know.
I don't think it's any of your business.
It is my business. Anything you guys do in public is my business.
Oh, really?
It is.
So who are you, the almighty?
No.
Yeah, you act like it.
I'm an American who exercises their rights and holds their government accountable.
Oh, yeah. Well, good for you. Why don't you go hold you accountable somewhere else?
I have.
Yeah, well, go do it again.
I am.
Don't come here and bother us.
Bother you? I'm here to watch you guys. Make sure you're doing your job.
Yeah, I like watching assholes.
I know. Hey, YouTube does too, buddy. Have a good one. You'll be number one. Big Buck, B-I-G-B-U-C-K, license plate. Hey, you an attorney? I need a civil attorney, man. Any referrals? How you doing, Big Buck? Could change that to an F. Huh? Change that Big Buck license plate to an F. What does that spell, guys? I know, God forbid. What's a tyrant here? Think they could tell me what to do. Alright, guys. So the city attorney is advised about my rights. And the court officials were educated and schooled and sent on their way by the sheriff, saying that I was over at the jail earlier today and that I'm all set, upholding his oath as usual, which is pretty good to hear. So I appreciate you guys coming in.
This video shows exactly why it's important to know your rights, even when you're facing people with badges and titles. Cameras don't commit crimes, people do. And when government officials forget that, it's up to us to remind them who they work for. Stand your ground, stay respectful, and never underestimate the power of a calm voice backed by the Constitution. That's how real accountability begins.